Dr. Manisha.
So I have been born here, brought up here, trained here, and I'm proud to be in Osmania. And strongly, I agree with what Dr. Mahinder has said, but what I personally feel is that unless we give back to our country will never ever progress. Why do we go to US for? For more comfort, for learning more. But now I feel with the boom in technology, we have everything available in our own country itself. There should be a will to do things and you will find a way. So tell me what is lacking in your training here? Nothing. We are no less than anybody. MBBS, MD, DM, you do in India, you are well familiar with our problems. We come to know about the diseases in India, and this sort of training is more beneficial to our people here. I don't say that you should not go get outside, get exposed to the different methods available in US and UK, but it is always better to come back. And it is such a good feeling that we get recognized by our own people here. You may become a very big doctor in US, but what's the point? Your fellow colleagues in India, they do not know anything about you. You have not given anything back to your country. The life in our country is much more comfortable. We are under less tensions. We have a strong family structure. And once you go to US and settle there, you lose your contact with India. It's very difficult once you get used to the culture there to come back and work here. So many people are doing that also nowadays. So neither of the things is good. But remember, my dear junior colleagues, it is not a bad option to stay back in India. You have all knowledge. You can learn here. There is no dearth of knowledge. Whatever is not available, you can go outside, train yourself, come back. Remember, in US, for example, coming to the example of my own branch, nephrology, cadaver transplant, they are doing since so many years. So many people are doing cadaver transplants. And you also become me too. But stay back in India, start the program, and you are the first one to do it. And there is no other satisfaction like that satisfaction. We have all our struggles in a government sector, but still if you overcome those struggles and give back to your own people, I believe there is nothing more satisfying than that. Nowadays, at the touch of button, you can access knowledge anywhere. You can go for courses outside, but what I personally feel that I would be very happy to stay in India and work. Even if you get opportunity, I mean, many of you may like to settle abroad, but at least some of us should stay back and bring our country at par with America or UK. In UK or US, you always have that feeling that we are not white. We are maybe not equal to them. And maybe that is the treatment meted out to many of the doctors who come back and share their feelings. In India, we are among our own, and our country is no less than any other country. We have so many diseases which are not seen in the Western world. Nowadays, we have exchange students coming from America to India. We are multitasking. In US, you have teams for a specific thing. But in India, we are the cardiologists. I mean, the people working in primary healthcare centers, they can tackle any emergency, any sort of problem. So I think both are good. They are good and bad of each coin. But remember, in India also, with this sort of a medical training, you have a good life, comfortable life. You earn nicely also, if that is the major concern you have. And you have the satisfaction of being among your own and giving back to the country which has trained you. So those are my feelings about doing an Indian PG in India. You are no less